Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking how Excel interprets incoming values, because Excel guesses formats and often converts what you mean. First, select the columns or cells that will hold dates, change their number format to text, or plan to enter entries with a leading apostrophe so Excel preserves exact text. If data is external, use data from text/CSV and choose text for the date column in the import dialog. Once done, Excel will stop forcing automatic date conversions. Next, deal with cells already turned into dates by Excel. You need to convert them back without losing meaning. Use data text to columns on the affected column and set column data format to text. That immediately reinterprets entries as text. Alternatively, create a helper column and use formulas like equals text, A1, yimmdd to standardize, or prepend an apostrophe with equals, and A1. Once you see correct results, copy the helper column and paste special values over the originals. To finish, make sure your workbook maintains the text format. Verify column formatting as text, then save in a format that preserves cell types, like XLSX. CSV will flatten types back to text, but may be interpreted by other programs. If Excel reconverts later, re-import the data and explicitly mark those fields as text in the import steps. If date order is wrong, check your system locale and Excel's regional settings, because differences in day-month ordering cause misinterpretation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.